Presenting the GMC 2021 Yukon AT4. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment group 4SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, wheels, 20x9 6-spoke machined aluminum, perforated leather seating surfaces, Powerly second row bucket seats, Powerly second row 60/40 split folding bench seat, AT4 premium package, rear media and nav package and technology package. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.